Hey nail fam, hope that you guys are doing fantabulous. It's your girl Tia Bella back again with another video. It's been a while. I'm still studying, but my classes have just finished over the weekend. So now I have a few more weeks to like study and then take my final exam, and my stress and my brains will be back full time. But until then, I'm just doing sporadic videos here and there just to make sure that I stay engaged with you guys. So Madame Glam was kind enough to send me over a quick package. This is some of the new nail essentials that they've come up with. I am so proud of Madame Glam stepping into, other nail products. So these are UV protection gloves, and then this is a nail brush. Now, how cool is that? I'm actually really excited about this. Look at that. Look at the packaging, how compact. And I love that it has this little container to put the brush in, because I usually have my dust brush just sitting in a little jar and all the dust is being on top of the brush. So sometimes when we dusting our products, our nails, and we see fuzz on it, it not necessarily fuzz from the nail product. It could just be fuzz from the brush. But anyway, look like we got a little double action going on here. Wonderful. So if this falls to the ground, it won't break open. Oh my, oh, she's stiff too. Oh, look at that. You hear that? Little ASMR going on there. So when you're brushing this away, you best believe all the dust gone. Absolutely amazing. Good quality. Love the branding. Love how ergonomic it is. It's not 100% round, so it does have, little spaces for your finger, for your grips of your fingers, which is thoughtful. Look at that. When you naturally would dust like this, so there's a space for your little index finger to the front here. I mean, come on, man. Thinking outside the box there. Well done. Well done, Madame Glam, on launching these fantabulous products, which we use every day. You need these essentials in your life. So that is the dust brush. Now, gloves are essential, especially if you're doing your nails every day. So let's see, because I do have some cheap gloves from Shein. Let's see. They seem similar. I don't know if they're hand stitched. They do look like they are more handmade. Maybe let's have a quick feel. They feel nice. Oh, you know what? They're a little bit bigger. Yeah, they're a little bit bigger on the hands. But yeah, they feel nice. They feel okay. Let's see how they hold up when I use them. Yeah, I would only say the difference between like the cheap ones from Shein would definitely be that these ones are a little bit on the bigger side, so they probably would fit more hands, and they feel nice and snug and everything. So that's the gloves from Madame Glam. They look like they're a little bit stitched, a little bit tight as well. See how it bounces back there? So I'm hoping that maybe it has a little bit more flexibility in terms of how it fit the fingers. Let me just throw this on right quick, because yeah, maybe it's stitched that way because it gives more flexibility to the fingers. Ah, okay. Well, yeah, okay. I mean, I definitely love the brush, and I think it's nice. It's also nice to have these gloves as well. So those are the two new products, well, new to me, I should say, from Madame Glam in terms of necessities for your hands and for your nails. So I'm just gonna go ahead and grab another PR product that I received. Okay, I'm not sure if I already showed this. I know that I did an unboxing video on Instagram, and I did a nail set with this, but I just wanted to quickly show you this. This is something else that Madame Glam have sent me. This has been on my wish list for, I don't know, this at least 2 years maybe, from when I was first introduced to Madame Glam by Baby Girl Nails. That has to have been 2 years ago. Listen, it's so good to just, I don't know, like, thank you, Madame Glam, thank you, because I didn't even know they were going to send me the whole kit. Like, they Anyway, long story short, this is my baby. This is what nail dreams are made of. This is the gel paints kit from Madame Glam. Vegan, cruelty free, palm oil free, 21 free, HEMA free. This is the creme de la creme. Highly pigmented, no wipe gel paints. Do you know what no wipe means? That means there is no tacky layer when you finish doing your nail art. When you're a nail artist, which we all are, by the way, and you're just doing your nails and you just have these, you know, and it's so convenient when you don't have to wipe, you don't have to worry about the fuzz getting onto the nail. Sometimes you might hit your finger against something and next thing you know, a bunch of fuzz. Like, this is what dreams are made of, and I'm so happy that Madame Glam sent me. So I just want to quickly show you this for any beginner that wants to perfect their nail art. Gel paint is preferred over gel polish. Gel polish is a little bit more on the liquid side. It's a little bit more runnier. Gel paint it lays flatter and it stays put, and these are highly pigmented. So if you're just getting started, I highly recommend you invest in good quality gel paints if you are moving along the lines of doing your nails. Now, what's on my nails right now? This is Milky Dreams. Hold on one second, let me just grab it. Okay, it's this Milky Dream. And just so you know, I bought this. I'm a VIP member. I pay $29 US every month as a VIP member. I've been a VIP member for the last, I want to say 6 or 7 months. This is a product that I've purchased. I've done Madame Glam hauls before. I think I've done 2 purchases so far. So I do not receive all products from Madame Glam free. I'm proud to say that I am a paying member of society. So I don't just sit here and unbox free products. So I just want to make sure you know that. I bought this with my own cash. Nobody paid me, okay? This is a PR product. I'm also a paid member. Right, so I love this color. Look at the shimmer in this. I don't know if you could see the shimmer. This is from the gods. So that's what I have on my nails right now. Keeping them short until I'm finished with my exams, because your girl have to type and calculate and get those numbers right. We got to pass this last exam. So I know that Madame Glam is having a 2-day shopping event soon. If it's not this month, it's next month. I think it could possibly be this month. But this is what we're working with, guys. Beautiful gel paints. I'm trying to remember if I already opened up 1 or 2 of these. I did. Look at that. Stunning colors from the gods. Absolutely beautiful. And they're so pigmented. I love the bottles that they're in. I love how they close up. I love that there's no major smell. Did I open? I think I used 3 colors when nope, didn't use the black. But I have a black already from one of a previous PR package. Maybe that's why this one isn't open. Yeah, so again, if you're not a member of Madame Glam, the 50% pays off, and I'm saving that for potentially Black Friday. So over the next 10 months, as long as I don't spend it, I'm gonna have almost what, $300 US to be able to purchase some stuff from Madame Glam, which I plan to do so. I do hope that within that time, Madame Glam actually comes out with more gel paints and they come out with gel liners. Let me just 1 second. Okay, this is just a little chit chat because I have some other PR products that I need to unbox, but I didn't want to do a 3-minute video just to show these 2. Now you remember from Christmas, Madame Glam teased us with this one lonely gel liner in blue, and I've been trying to sneak some information out. I've been asking them if they plan to come up with a collection, and they've not said, but I actually really love it. This brush is so strong. It has good control, and it is just from the gods. And you know Madame Glam is super pigmented. Like, Madame Glam, please, please. I am saving my money. That's why I haven't bought anything yet. I'm just saving because I hope that they come out with a gel liner collection. So I hope they do. This is the other stuff that I have here. Their pudding gels are absolutely amazing as well. And pudding gels are so much softer and so much easier. They don't run. So if you have problems with running with gel polish and like flooding the cuticles and stuff, this is where pudding gels come in, and they have a little stopper on top, so you don't have to worry about peeling off plastic, which is so convenient. Absolutely amazing products. This wasn't supposed to turn into a really long video, but I just thought I'd mention and give a little quick update on some of the amazing products from Madame Glam. They recently came out with texture gel as well, which I need to do some designs on. Absolutely amazing products. And even if you don't want to buy these big bottles, which cost I think around 10 to 15 USD, they have mini ones now. You can get them for $5 USD, $5 USD. Look how cute. Look how cute they are. They are so adorable. Absolutely beautiful. So that is everything that I just wanted to quickly touch bases on. I do have another PR product that another video possibly going to be launching the same time as this, or probably the day after. So just wanted to show you some of the new things Madame Glam has cooking up in the works. Don't forget, there may or may not be a shopping event happening very soon. If you don't hear back from me between that, I'll probably post it on the community page. So if you were looking for something to purchase for that shopping event, take advantage of the new products that they've launched: pudding gels, gel paints from the gods, or even the little minis. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.